Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to unfollow someone on TikTok. Firstly, open TikTok application on your device and then go to your profile at the bottom and open this following tab right here under your profile picture and go to whatever profile that you want to unfollow. And here you see this man icon right here and select unfollow. So that's how you can unfollow someone on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.